So now that we have that, we can just refresh to see if it will load. Let's see, it's loading. Now we have it. Alright, so now let us go straight into starting the shipment. So once we start the shipment, who can start the shipment is actually the logistics provider who will eventually get the money once the receiver has confirmed receiving the shipment. So this is what we are going to be using to start the shipment. So the logistics provider will just say, okay, I want to start the shipment, I've picked it up. So if it is 1, put 1. So I don't need to put the receiver again. So I might just remove the receiver input. So I'll just use the ID only to make the system more user friendly. So we start now with the start shipment. So go to our code. Don't forget the model that we are using to start our shipment is this start shipment.js. So we can, let's leave this, let's close this. So definitely we are going to be needing this. So to communicate with our context. And now that we have that, we can then do that. I don't want us to specify the receiver. So we might just comment this out. So you can just remove these two. Just the IDs enough to make our system more. Just remove these two. Just the index is fine. Even the smart contract, you see that when we are telling the user that okay, the shipment has been picked up, the only thing we are just passing, no, not here. Picked up, the only thing we are just passing is the shipment ID. So let's not stress our system user. So yes, we have it. I think that's all. So with that, if you check it now, see that you have only the index, shipment ID, which is fine. The simpler the better. So we have the context. So let's now, majorly what we're going to be doing here is also to be interacting with our smart contracts. So we're going to be getting the contracts, smart contracts interaction directly from the front end. So because we will definitely be using awake, we can set this to async. If there's no contract, there's nothing we can do. So connect your wallets. So now that we are sure that there's a contract, so we can then use a try. And now you should be familiar with the pattern and the logic we are using for our code implementation. For our code implementation, then you can just say transaction with what we want to do. We want to call this function pickup delivery, passing the ID, which is the index this time around. Shipment details dot index. So you just pass it there. Then you are wait for the block to mine. Wait for the block to mine so that it's started with the blockchain. Then once that has been done, you can then, maybe you want to reload first. Reload dot location dot reload. Location dot reload, and you can then alert the user to say that shipments, just display the ID shipment with ID shipment dot index has been picked success has been successfully picked up. Successfully picked up, whichever one is correct. So that will be it. Just call the function. The smart contract will know that the person calling the function is actually the logistics provider. When there's an error, it happens. We are not shying away from it. Console.error. Then we're passing the error. I just describe where the error is coming from. Also, pick up error. So just want to tell the user alert. Failed to pick up. Just to know that since it does not go where, pick up the shipments. So having done that, we can then now reset our index. But since we are reloading, it definitely resets. Since we are reloading the page, it definitely resets. So we might not need to disturb ourselves. Initially, we are setting it to be none. So let's test our application. Let's see if we are able. So now let's check the address we are using for the logistic provider. That's 97E. Just change it to 97E. 97E. 978. Yeah. I connect wallets because it currently says that it's connected. So 15 now. So I'll just refresh. 97E should be connected. You can see 97E is connected. So if you click on it, you see that my balance is 100 and I don't have any shipment I'm currently involved in at the moment. So now I want to start the shipments. So I want to start the one with 0. So just start. So you see, I need to digitally sign that transaction. This is a network field. I'm not making any payments. Confirm. So it's happening faster than we could see it, but now you can see that the status has changed to what? Picked up, picked up, picked up. That means currently the seller can know that, alright, can tell the buyer and say, oh, it's currently on the way to yours place now at the moment. That is it. So we can start the second one too. Start. Confirm transaction, reload the page. You can see picked up, picked up, picked up. Alright, so we go right into the next one, which is to complete the shipment. So I think the receiver will be the one to do this. You can see if you check your Ganache, you see some actions being performed. The reason why this is actually not 100 again is because of the payment for gas fee. So the logistic provider actually paid some gas fee. But if you check the transaction, you see contract call. This is for the picking up. You can see the hash and the likes. So you can see that you are being able to perform transaction directly from the blockchain. So now